got it for you guys right here. APR Downpipe.
Damn, dude, what they ship that from fucking?
I don't know. The
BFP? God damn.
shit came from Guatemala, right?
Shit came from across the world 3 times.
Fucking Jim Carrey delivered this to us, right?
Jesus.
Fucking
Ace Ventura must have delivered this shit. Pet detective kicking this shit up and down the stairs, punting it through the fucking goalpost.
See, easy access.
Open this shit up. Come on. This is Alejandro's downpipe. You got an APR downpipe. Oh. Okay. APR catted downpipe for O2 sensor extender. A reducer for the
Exhaust tip?
exhaust.
No.
We ain't driving Hondas out here, boy.
This is what I was worried about because this thing was at the bottom.
That's very pretty.
Very nice.
Very pretty,
Ooh,
my
it comes
friend.
with a
Look.
pre-dented.
Comes pre-dented, you know, for all that flow. High music, high flow. Hold on, let me see. Ooh, that bitch is heavy.
Oh damn! It doesn't even have a. Oh bitch! This must be an older version, huh?
No.
No.
It doesn't even have what?
Not a clamp, but you know how some of them come with the little bracket right there.
It's right there, fool. The bracket's right here.
No, but inside the.
No, ain't no fucking bracket up there.
Some of them come with brackets.
So we're gonna throw this on Alejandro's car. Yours is longer than that. We'll get you a cold start here for the stock exhaust, and then we'll have a rev off between Alejandro's downpipe against Richard's downpipe, because Richard's catless 42 draft designs and Alejandro's APR catted downpipe. Hey, turn it on! Let's hear about those.
Man, I got no more Prius in this job.
All intake, yeah. Oh yeah, that bitch is warm even down here.
Yeah.
Touch it right there. So we're repairing that bend that was there. You want to hit it one more time, Mario, just to get
Tell me when it lit off.
when it glows. Stand in front of that light. Can you not aim it at my arm, please? Thank you. Yeah, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
Pretty good for a bunch of dumbasses.
Well, I bet you touched it.
No, I already touched it.
Come on, man.
It burnt my glove. It melted my glove. And I
Brand new.
It was like I could feel it on my finger. Here, you touch it.
Brand new real quick.
Talking all that shit.
I'm not been there, man. That's showing the shit.
Okay, let's find out. It's so hot that I can feel the heat off of it.
I bet you don't give a
Put
kiss.
your hand right there. No,
Kiss it.
no.
Come on, man. Kiss my downpipe.
What is that bottle?
Yeah, I can
Squirt
feel that shit.
Feel it. Put your hand right there.
There you
I'm gonna lift it up.
You traumatized that nigga.
I can read your mind now, Eddie. I'm a brujo.
Yeah. Good job.
He's like freaking Doctor Strange.
I'm proving you wrong right now.
Finally graduated to brujo. From pendejo to brujo. So just like on Richard's car, we're gonna disconnect the O2 sensor here, but the APR one actually comes with an extender to run this wire to the back of the car. And then take that bolt out. And there's some brackets up here that actually I would have liked to remove before we put the car up in the air, but I wasn't really thinking. Hey, we had the exhaust on for like what, 30 seconds maybe?
Yeah.
Touch downpipe. Oh, it's hot, right?
Damn. The magic of a fucking combustible engine.
The magic of knowing what the fuck you're talking about when you talk about it.
There's no such thing. It's called the internet.
They're gonna get you.
What the fuck?
Finish him.
I told you.
Well, use this fan to cool it down. Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's that shoot Eddie Higgs.
When the fucking bolt's backwards.
Yep.
What's up, dog?
That's why we fixed that when we put it back on. You know what else I hate? When the exhaust is fucking real hot.
And we thought it would be fucking cold, right?
Uh-huh.
But someone wanted to do that cold start video, so.
That was actually Alejandro. We got video proof
Hey,
of
man,
that.
for the
I was
contest,
recording.
I'm doing it for the content, man. For the views, man.
You're right. We do it all for the views.
All for the views.
Just like
That's the part that we should take off.
yeah. Coming towards you.
So we're about to take the downpipe off right now. So here's the fun part. I got my beaner right there. Well,
Get the normal.
half a beaner.
It's out.
I guess it wasn't that bad. I thought it was gonna be harder.
We slide it up. We gotta take this O2 sensor off.
Oh, we gotta take the auto sensor off right now, so I'm putting the APR one. So here's the start one. Better take this sensor off. Oh shit.
Heavy, right?
Fuck yeah.
Touch that top part.
Oh, why do you touch it?
I already touched it. How do you think it came out?
You got gloves?
This is a cat, and this is a cat. Two cats in
Two
one.
cats in one downpipe. Guess what? Only one on the next one.
And it's high,
Da-na-na-na.
and it's high flow.
And it's high flow.
It's high music, high flow.
High music, high flow. Some Archon here. Shit right here. Oh, Nicky Jam. What you like? I know you like Nicky Jam better.
Me?
Yeah.
Bad Bunny, Nicky Jam.
That bunny.
Oh, bitch, get off there. We're gonna have this shit done by the time they come back.
I was gonna say that right now. It's time to put the APR one on. We'll see how hard this one is. It wasn't hard to get the start one out, so this one should be easier, which I shouldn't say that, but we'll see. Every time we say something like that, this shit gets hard as fuck. You going down?
Yeah, I'm gonna send it up. Pick it up with your hand when you see it.
Que tenemos? Stop here, Bato.
I got a fucking U-Haul van.
What the fuck? See, we do all crazy shit right here. This motherfuckers went and pick this up in like 10 minutes. I guess we were wrong.
You were wrong. But almost.
Almost, yeah. We always make it possible. Oh, you know what? You need to film the home, Bato.
I know, I don't know what the fuck you playing with your dick over there for. Alright, this is ready to go in loosely. We're not going to tighten it down. This is the 13s that came out of here, right?
Yes, sir.
I'll let you. He's gonna be right next to your phone.
Okay. We almost got it done before you got over here.
Oh, yeah.
Almost.
Yeah, I mean, you already got the fucking stock one out.
And the other one in.
The APR one was apparently a lot easier than the 43 custom.
No. It just, I was the one removing the down.
Oh!
Oh,
Shot fire, Richard. Come on, Richard. Reply back.
I don't know anything. It went well.
With the struggle?
It's just cleaning up a mess we've created. Yeah. Throw away all the stock R32 parts. Hey, there's some R32 wheels over there.
And
They
this
say
one-
some weird name like
And this one is smaller too.
Inky or something.
This one is smaller too.
What is smaller?
That
Oh yeah, shorter.
sort of,
Look at that. I already held it up to the light. Let me see.
Oh yeah, you can see that.
Can you push?
More?
No, that should be good. APR on the bung there.
Oh yeah, APR baby.
Angry Panda Racing. Where's the extension?
So que tenemos.
Alright, I'm gonna pass this up like we just did and just get it clear. I got it. Oh shit. It was around my neck.
The
The line.
the line?
Yeah. Ta-da.
Ta-da-da.
Oh, whoops. Dumbass.
Well, I guess it was not ta-da.
It is now.
Yeah. Now it is ta-da-da.
Alright, now, before we tighten this one up, we'll get the
clamp up?
clamp one.
I think mine has a deeper tone.
Because of the cat. We'll find out in a minute, though.
Yeah.
What? But you have a resonator delete. Mine doesn't right now. So.
That's true.
And it's still kind of loud. The same
I
as
forgot you had the resonator delete. That's alright, you'll have your resonator delete, he'll have a catback.
I'll just put an elbow on
He's
mine.
talking shit.
Uis. Alright, cool. So you got a little friend there, mate.
fuck, man?
I don't know.
As soon as Mario sees that shit, didn't I tell you to throw that shit away? You gotta get his
How
reaction.
fucking random.
Right. Nailed it.
Nailed it.
I'm gonna die of carbon monoxide, man.
For real, trying to bend towards the clock. I think we just pass out before we die, actually. So if any of us start passing out, then it's time to work.
The viewers are tired of seeing this car, man. You gotta do something about this.
Burn it. It was way better with the black stripe, dude.
Fuck yeah. Should have came like that from factory.
Yeah, if they didn't have the lighting package, it should have been a black stripe.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have them rev up. This is the 42 Draft Designs catless with resonator delete. This is APR catted downpipe with stock